Welcome to Freecool World, where comfort meets innovation. Meet the Freecool ACDC Solar Hybrid Air Conditioner, your ultimate energy-efficient solution. Imagine this. During the day, it harnesses solar power, saving you up to 100% on energy costs. At night, it seamlessly switches to grid power, cutting your consumption by up to 70%. What makes it truly remarkable is its advanced AI power management, continuously optimizing energy use without you lifting a finger. Experience rapid cooling with our effective jet systems and improved air quality. Plus, with the Freecool Wi-Fi app, you can control your AC remotely and track your energy savings in real time. Designed for extreme conditions, it operates flawlessly from 20 to 75 degrees Celsius, making it perfect for any environment. Trusted in over 32 countries, Freecool is paving the way for a greener future. Choose Freecool for a cooler, more efficient world.